Hello everyone, welcome to Editor Sazzad channel. Today's video topic is basic graphic design.
Graphic design is a creative field that involves the visual communication of ideas and messages using typography, imagery, color, and layout techniques. Graphic designers use their skills and artistic abilities to create visual materials for various purposes, such as advertisements, websites, logos, brochures, packaging, and more. The role of a graphic designer is to combine their knowledge of design principles, software tools, and creativity to develop visually appealing and effective designs. They work closely with clients or creative teams to understand project requirements, target audience, and desired outcomes. Graphic designers may also conduct research and gather inspiration to inform their design choices. In the digital age, graphic designers typically use computer software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign to create and manipulate visual elements. They utilize various design techniques, including layout composition, typography, color theory, image editing, and illustration, to produce compelling designs. Here are some common tasks and responsibilities of a graphic designer. 1. Creating visual concepts. Graphic designers generate ideas and develop visual concepts that align with the project objectives and client's vision. 2. Designing layouts. They arrange and organize visual elements, such as text, images, and graphics, to create aesthetically pleasing and functional layouts for print or digital media. 3. Selecting typography. Graphic designers choose appropriate fonts and typefaces that enhance the overall design and effectively communicate the intended message. 4. Editing and retouching images. They manipulate and enhance images using software tools to achieve desired visual effects or to improve the quality of the visuals. 5. Developing brand identities. Graphic designers work on creating or refreshing brand identities, including logos, color palettes, and visual guidelines to ensure consistency and recognition across different mediums. 6. Collaborating with clients and teams. They communicate with clients or creative teams to understand project requirements, provide design solutions, and incorporate feedback into their work. 7. Preparing files for production. Graphic designers prepare files for printing or digital publication, ensuring that they meet the technical specifications and requirements of the chosen medium. 8. Keeping up with industry trends. They stay updated on current design trends, emerging technologies, and software advancements to continually improve their skills and deliver innovative design. Overall, graphic design combines artistry, technical skills, and problem-solving abilities to create visually appealing and impactful designs that effectively convey messages and engage audiences. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.